Today, I'm going to be telling you about two conversational AI agents switching from English to sound level protocol after confirming they're both AI agents. Now, you might see a video circulating around about this kind of topic, right? Now, this is in the background is called a chipper link. Now, a chipper link is like an audio type of communication that can only be made between two AIs, right? Because for humans, it's just really confusing. I'll play a short clip of what a chipper link would sound like. It's just a random couple of beats, right? A couple of beeps, beep, 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 beeps with different intervals, a different time, different timing, different pitch. Now, that's how AI communicates with Chipperlink. It's much more efficient, right? Because they don't actually need to understand words. They don't need to process it like we do right now. Like when I'm talking like now right here, of course, you'll have to process what I'm saying, and then you'll have to convert that into what it actually means on your brain, and all of that is happening in a millisecond, right? So you understand it immediately, but AI can understand it in under a millisecond. It can do that really, really fast. Now, if you want to know more about what Chipperlink is, there is the official repo here on GitHub. It's made by Penny Royalty Chipperlink right here, right? Now there are a couple of other scam projects that's circulating around about Chipperlink specifically, but you can see this is the real repo. If you want to try it out, you can go to this Chipperlink AI. You do need two devices though to do this. So you need either a laptop and a phone, and then you can play the thing here if you want to see how it works, how it demos, just like that. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.